In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio sound to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This process can be incredibly useful if you want to make your PDF documents more interactive, or simply if you need to add a voice explanation or background music to complement the text and visuals in your file. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate audio content into your PDF documents with ease. First, start by opening your desired PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Once you have your document open, you'll want to navigate to the top left corner of the application. Here you'll see an option labeled All Tools. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options available to enhance your document. Next, look for the View More option, which will lead you to additional functionalities that aren't immediately visible. In this expanded view, you'll want to find and click on Add Rich Media. This is a particularly powerful tool within Acrobat that allows you to embed multimedia elements such as audio and video directly into your PDF. As we proceed, you'll come to the section titled Add Content. Within this section, you'll have the option to add various types of media, but for today's tutorial, we'll focus on sound. Clicking on Sound will activate the tool you need to place audio content into your PDF. Now, you'll need to decide where the audio should appear within the document. Simply drag your mouse over the area where you'd like the audio to be positioned, or alternatively double-click to set the placement more precisely. As soon as you set the location, a dialog box will pop up. In this dialog box, you'll notice a button labeled Browse. Click on this button, which will allow you to navigate through your files to find the audio file you wish to embed. Make sure that the audio file you choose is in a compatible format for the best results. Once you've selected your audio file and clicked Open, the file will be embedded directly into your PDF at the location you specified earlier. Acrobat does a great job of ensuring this content is integrated in a way that doesn't disrupt the layout or function of your document. In summary, adding audio to your PDF is as simple as navigating through a few menus and selecting your desired audio file. This process not only enriches your document but also makes it more engaging for your audience. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy editing with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.